Welcome, Twin Flames. You're here with Master Bella to receive healing. It's Reiki healing and energetic healing. So you just open to receive. You could get comfortable, feet flat, palms up, chest open, chin up. Big deep breath from your feet to your crown and then exhaling back down your spine into your Earth Star Chakra. Connecting now in a cord of a light at the speed of a light to Gaia's 5th dimensional crystal grid. And activating your Soul Star Chakra. Releasing the love of your soul deep into your being, making your intention to heal your twin from a 5th dimensional perspective, clearing, healing, and preparing the pathway through your heart to love. Knowing you're a brave soul, and yes, sometimes these feelings are overwhelming. This is part of the mission, transforming the heavy energy, the low vibrations of guilt, worry, grief, and of course disappointment. Letting the air flow through all your energy field, clearing, healing, and bringing balance, equilibrium into all your energetic meridians, your chakras, your auric field. Releasing any low vibrations from your auric field now with your intention and a big deep breath. Knowing that you are receiving all the healing that you need in your heart in 3D right now. All the pain, shame, and guilt cannot exist in unconditional love. So know that this is your mission, to cry it out, to feel it, to heal it. Set a new intention to connect at the soul level now with your twin flame. Just knowing all is well, all is as it should be. And you are always in the perfect place, in the perfect timing for your twin flame union to manifest. There's nothing you need to do or say or think. Just know that this was preordained and agreed to at this dimensional level by your soul. In that knowing now, we allow the healing frequencies of all the kingdoms and the celestial realm to filter down through your soul star chakra and into your heart. And with a big deep breath now, releasing everything in 3D so that you can bring this new frequency down in through your heart chakra. And sending it out now to your twin flame. visualizing their heart opening and then receiving ripples of healing light as they relax and feel relief from disappointment and grief. And then open to receiving this energy back from their heart to your heart, healing, lifting and cleansing, bringing in new frequencies and high vibrations. Notice the infinity symbol you are creating now. This ensures your union and secures it at an energetic level. Open your heart